Alright, now that we have the script, the voiceover, and the video footage, it's time to bring everything together. We'll need to combine all these elements to create the final video. This includes integrating the script, voiceover or audio, video clips, background music, sound effects, and any other visual effects like zoom or transition effect. This final, polished video is what we will be posting on YouTube, which will be seen by everyone. The question is, how exactly are we going to accomplish this? Since this is a masterclass, we will share several video editing software with you. Additionally, we will create a video in front of you, demonstrating how to combine all the elements into the final product. While hiring a freelancer for video editing is an option, it's essential for you to understand how to edit and integrate all the elements into the final video. There are a number of video editing software available. The links for all these websites are given in the description of the video. CapCut, Camtasia, Filmora, Clipchamp, Adobe Premiere Pro. All of these softwares have a mobile-friendly downloadable app available. However, we highly recommend that you download and edit your videos on your Mac or PC. There is not really much of a difference between CapCut, Camtasia, or Filmora. If you know how to use one, you can easily use the others, as they share a similar interface. We're going to demonstrate how to use CapCut. Simply Google CapCut Download for PC or CapCut Download for Mac if you have a Mac. I have already downloaded it. Once you open CapCut, this is the interface that you will get to see. All these files shown here are older projects done using CapCut. Let us create a new project. Click on Create Project. Once you click on Create Project, this is the interface that opens up. Once again, the interface of CapCut, Camtasia, or Filmora is the same. If you know how to use one, you can easily use the others, as they share a similar interface. CapCut is a video editing software. It helps you to bring all your audio and video files in one place so that you can make the final video for YouTube. This is where you import all the audio, images, and video files, after which you can use CapCut to edit them. Let us import all the media files to make a sample video. I already downloaded them into a folder. As an example, we are making a video for a YouTube cooking channel. This contains all the media files you've imported. Audio library. This has built-in music and sound effects. Text, to insert any sort of text in the video. Transitions. Here you will find various visual effects and transitions you can drag and drop onto your timeline. Captions, to add captions to your video. This is the preview window. You can play, pause, rewind, and fast forward through your video. This is the timeline. This is the video track, the main area where you assemble your video clips. This is the audio track. You can manage your background music, voiceovers, and sound effects. Let us start editing. We have already added the audio file that we have created for the voiceover. If you click the blue plus sign, it will automatically add the video files. These files will appear in the timeline below. Now we have all the media files ready. To zoom, click here so you can see the timeline closer. If you click on play, the preview window will start playing the media files. If you want to reduce the length of any video, just click on it and drag to the left. If the sound of your voiceover recording is low, you can select it and increase the sound level. You can easily edit the video visuals by clicking on it. To rearrange the order of any media file, simply click on it and move it to the position you like. To preview your video in full screen, click here, and you will be able to see it in full screen. Similarly, you can add transitions, background music, text, images, and much more in CapCut. Once you finish editing, click on Export. Then click Export again, and the software will automatically save the final video to your desktop when the process is complete. Here's the final video with all the edits, transitions, and background music added. Let's take a look at how it turned out. Remember, this is a sample video we created to demonstrate how to use CapCut. Let's see how it looks.
Hey everyone!
Today, we're making a delicious pepperoni pizza in just 1 minute.
Let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, pepperoni slices, and olive oil. First, roll out your pizza dough into a circle. Spread a generous amount of tomato sauce evenly over the dough. Sprinkle a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Now, add your pepperoni slices. Finally, drizzle a bit of olive oil and sprinkle some dried oregano for extra flavor. Preheat your oven to 475 F 245 C. Place your pizza on a baking sheet or a pizza stone and bake for about 10-12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly brown. And there you have it, a perfect pepperoni pizza ready to enjoy. This video was created in under 5 minutes to demonstrate how easy it is to use CapCut. As with anything, practice is key to becoming proficient with video editing software. Video editing involves many steps, such as adding effects, music, split screens, zoom effects, transition sounds, and text boxes. Although all these video editing features are available on mobile devices, it's always best to use a laptop for a more efficient and detailed editing experience.